Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and find the contact you would like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on the edit icon, which is simply a pencil icon right in the middle. I know that you cannot see it right now because of the sticker, but trust me that here we've got the edit icon. Now we can tap on this camera icon and here we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, or we can simply choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick this option, and now all we have to do is simply find the one we would like to edit, add and tap on it. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the step in which we can change the size of the square, and of course we can change the position of the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. What's more, we can rotate the picture. It's up to you. So if you're ready, just tap on done here. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, it is visible on the contact. What's more, you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls and on the contact list. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.